If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. In today's tutorial, we're going to make some of these really cute and fast fingerless mittens. So this is the one I made already for the video today. We'll be making the other one together. So this is a women's size. And then I made previously this set, which is a men's size. And I also used a bigger yarn for this one. So in today's video, we'll be making the women's size. So you're gonna start with your slip knot and a chain of 28. So I've already done that here. I've chained 28. And I'm going to slip stitch right into that first chain. To just form this circle. Next, we're going to chain 2. And really easy, we're going to half double crochet all the way around. So in each stitch. So really simply half double crochet, inserting your hook. Oops. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and just pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Alright, so we're on the last stitch, and I'm just going to flip it inside out like this so that I'm working in this direction. So we have 1 stitch left, and you are going to go up to the very last stitch in each row. And now we can join to the top of this chain with a slip stitch, and that is row 1. So for row 2 and through row 15, you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to go into this next stitch here. So not the stitch that your chain is coming out from, the next stitch, and make your half double crochet. And again, just going all the way around with your half double crochets. So this is row 2, and you're going to just repeat up to row 15. And this works up really fast, so it shouldn't take long, but go ahead and pause the video and I will work up my rows, and we will meet back at the end of row 15. Okay, so I'm about to do the last stitch in row 15. So just finish that up here, and then I'll slip stitch into this very first stitch up here. Okay. So for row 16, we're going to chain 2 first. Half double crochet into this next stitch. Half double crochet into the next stitch, half double crochet into the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th stitch. So we have 7 half double crochets. Now we're going to chain 3 and then skip 3 and then half double crochet into this next stitch. And then just complete half double crochets in each stitch around. Okay, so we have one stitch left. Now you could use a stitch marker here, but it's pretty easy to just notice the seam here, and you can see where your last stitch in the row is. So we'll put our last half double crochet, and then we will slip stitch into this first top stitch over here. So that is row 16. In row 17, we'll chain 2, and we will half double crochet into the first 7 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then what we're going to do is just make 3 half double crochets right into this thumb hole. And then continue on in this next stitch with our half double crochets. So we will complete this round making half double crochets in each stitch. Okay, so I'm on my last stitch now, and I'll put my last half double crochet in and then slip stitch into this top stitch here. All right, so we've completed row 17, and to begin row 18 we'll chain 2, and we will do the same thing, just continuing around with our half double crochets. So we're going to do this row, which is row 18, and then just repeating this through row 21. So it won't take very long, but just pause the video if you need to, and I'll meet you at the end of row 21. Which is also the last row, you'll chain 2 and half double crochet, again not into the stitch that your chain is coming out of, but the next one, and then we'll half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So we have 6 half double crochets, and then we're going to half double crochet 2 together. So just insert your hook and pull up a loop, and you'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Now you have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. And then we'll make another half double crochet, 5 more half double crochets, so that's total of 6 half double crochets. And then we'll half double crochet 2 together. And then 6 more half double crochets. Five and 6, and then we'll half double crochet 2 together, So inserting into that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the next stitch and pull up a loop, and then pull through all 5 loops. So you'll have 1 stitch here at the end, just half double crochet into that stitch and join at the top and just tie off here. So you'll just weave in your ends, and then we have our 1 mitten, and 2 mittens. Thanks so much for watching.